to Jinal's The Learning Villa. Today I am Tamanna Jinal with part 3 of classification. Today we will learn about the classification based on words and letters. There are not specific rules for classification based on words and letters, as we have done classification based on digits, in which we are given with some digits like 1 and 2. Classification based on words includes some words like zinc and alloy and some more words. I have just given an idea. And classification based on letters, like some letters are given. Now there are not, as I have told you, not some specific rules are here. So just we have to practice for these kind of classifications. So there I am having some practice questions for you. Let's start doing them. As you can see in the first question, reward is related to punishment, object is related to permit, sharp is related to blunt, and cold is related to cool. Now you can see here, reward is antonym of punishment, object is antonym of permit, same sharp is antonym of blunt, but cold is synonym of cool. So this is odd one out. Next one is maple, apple, beet and sugarcane. As you all know, maple, beet and sugarcane are used to make sugar. Means apple is odd one. Hope you get it. Do more and more practice so you can get it how to classify the different one. Now next example is Shimla, A option, Nilgiri, Auto and Nainital. Now OT. Now, Shimla, Oti and Nainital are hill stations. Nilgiri is not a hill station. So, Nilgiri is an odd one. In next, water is related to stream, energy is related to food, pulp is related to light and sun is related to light. Now, you will do idea. If in two options, light is coming in the second part, means answer is one of C and D. But you are wrong. Don't do work with ideas. Do try to find the logic behind it. Like water is related to stream. Now stream is found in water. Food. Do food found in energy? No. Energy is found in food. So now let's do next one. Light is found in bulb. If we will switch on the bulb, we will get light. Same as sun provides us light. So means light is taken from sun. Means only this one is odd one. Because here is opposite. Food should come here at this place and energy should come at this place. Hope you get it. Next example is, you can see here, TCHL CAAPE. Next one is AOPIN and D1 VUAGN. Now you will think, how can we classify? How can we classify? So here you have to make some meaningful words using these letters. Let's start doing it. Here it will be lychee. L, I, cut it down. So you can remember which letters you have used. CHI. There should no chance of mistake. In next, what we can make? You can think what we can make using these letters. Can you think? Comment in the comment box. Hope you have done. It will be peach. P-A-C-H. P-E-A-C-H. Yes, we have used all the letters. In next, it will be piano. If you will see. P-I-A-N-O. In next it will be guava. Now what you are seeing here, lychee, peach and guava are fruits. But piano is a musical instrument. Means piano is odd one. Hope you can make some meaningful words using these kind of letters. In next example you can see here, first option is YST, B option is ELOH, C is AOLF and D is TUCHH. So we have to make meaningful words. What we can make using it? We can make STY, style. Okay, here we can make whole. You can do cutting work in rough or as you wish. Here fall, right? FOAL. And here what we will make? Hutch. HUTCH. If you are having problem in making meaningful words, you get confused which letters are used or not, then you can do this cutting method. Okay? So you can see here, style, hall and hutch are dwelling place. These are dwelling place. But fall is young one of S. Means it is odd. So this is our answer. Practice more and more as possible. And if you have any kind of doubt, you can comment. Have a nice day. Thank you.